Hi, my name is Hannah Smith. I'm an admission counselor here at the University of Tulsa, and we work with students like you every single day in our office. So we thought we'd get together and offer up our best tips and tricks for a successful college search process.
My advice would be to do your homework. Google and YouTube are your friends, and most colleges have all of their general information listed online. If there are certain aspects of your college experience that you are wanting to check off the box, make sure you look online to see that those colleges have those activities happening for you before you visit campus.
Have financial aid conversations with your parents early. Realize it's probably going to be a little bit more uncomfortable for them than it is for you, so be conscientious, but it's an important conversation to have. Talk about budgets, expectations, and make a plan.
Be yourself in the admission process. We really want to get to know you and what type of person, what type of student you are. So we want to see you shine through your application for admission, your admission essay, and when we meet you in person, we want to see who you really are. So be genuine, be you, be real.
Use your admission counselor as a resource. We love our university, but we are also really well versed in the admission process. You can ask us all sorts of questions about our institution, but know that we can help you through the process as a whole, even if it's unrelated to our school. We understand that every school is not a fit for everyone, and so we want you to find your right fit, but use our knowledge so you can get the resources you need.
Don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. It's important to seek resources, talk to people that you trust. There's a lot of people out there who are rooting for you, but a lot of times we don't know how best to help you. So it's important that you get out there, share what your needs are, and really seek out those opportunities yourself.
Visiting campus is really important when making a college decision. You're going to be spending 4 years at this university, so make sure you go and visit the schools that you're interested in so you can kind of try it on and know what it's going to feel like.
And if you can't visit campus, go online and research the university's social media and website thoroughly. You can learn a lot from watching videos, reading posts, and comments about the school you're interested in.
Okay everyone, we hope we've offered up some tips for you through this college search process. We hope to see you soon on campus, and until then, reign Cane.